Hello everyone, welcome. This is the second episode in the tutorial video series. In this episode, I will walk you through the first 12-step tutorial section, the Quick Start Guide. This will help you quickly, though still superficially, understand the structure of Legacy Weaver and get a brief look into its technical design. This is the first screen you will see after clicking the Load Quick Start Layout button on the URP Quick Start interface. This layout contains every important element needed to complete the guide. You can see the three main panels, and it's no coincidence I highlight them at the beginning. From the LW Welcome panel, you can immediately access the menu matrix, where all available editor tools are located. In later tutorials, we will cover each tool in detail. In the center panel, you can see the Scene, Game, and Menu Matrix views. On the right side, Inspector, Scene Switcher, Grass Painter, and Object Painter. And at the bottom, Project, Console, Grass Preview Stimulator, Terrain Copier, Master Terrain Creator, Object Chunk Creator, Grass Generator, Simple Terrain Chunk Creator. Legacy Weaver does not stream objects or prefabs, it streams only their data. This is what makes it fundamentally different from other tools available on the Asset Store. Click the Scene Switcher tool on the right side. If no list appears, locate the following folders: Asset Legacy Weaver, Samples, a Demo Scene, and Master Scene. Then drag both folders into the Scene Switcher window. The tool will remember these locations. Click the Master Scene button to load the scene. Scroll backward to view the full scene. Select the Grass Painter tool to see its interface. I have already inserted the required scriptable objects, so the tool is ready to use. Use the Tag and Layer filters to choose which objects you want to paint on. Before painting, close the Object Painter tool. Drag the anchor from the hierarchy into the tool, then press Start. This continuously updates the scene visualizer in edit mode. Hold left Control plus left mouse button to paint. You can adjust grass size, tilt, and rotation at the bottom of the panel. You can find the Grass Preview Stimulator tool in the bottom row. Locate the Grass Generator tool. Press the Generate Runtime Database plus Paint Data button. In the pop-up window, select the Legacy Weaver 1.2.2 samples a grass database folder. Overwrite the file and repeat the process. This saves the newly created grass data. Open the Object Painter tool from the menu matrix. The numeric label in the tooltip shows the page number in the Legacy Weaver book. If the tool appears empty, you must insert the required scriptable objects. The default SOS are located in Asset Legacy Weaver SO. Once inserted, the full interface becomes visible. Select the vegetation category and paint using left Control plus left mouse button. Use right mouse button to remove objects. Find the Object Chunk Creator tool. Drag the Asset Legacy Weaver samples al Object Chunk folder into the Root folder field. Select the existing SO for the object registry, optional. Press the Build Object Streaming Data, Async, button. Remove the house prefab from painted_structures, then delete the empty object. Open the Manual Object tool. Set the meta output folder and the object registry file. Set the chunk size to 400. Press the Create Manual Object button. Set the Big House 1 Objects tag to Manual Object. Press Refresh List, then select All. Then press Add Selected to Registry plus move to Manual Prefabs. You can review all previous operations in the console. Save the master scene. Open the Simple Terrain Chunk Creator tool. Drag the master terrain into the source terrain field. Keep the chunk size at 512. Select the terrain_chunks folder. Enable the Delete Old Chunks in this folder option. Press Generate Chunks. Open the Terrain Copier tool. Drag the master terrain into the source terrain field. Set the chunk size to 512. Set the chunk folder to the terrain_chunks folder. Press Copy Layers and Details. In the Scene Switcher, click the Demo Scene button. The demo scene contains a light, the managers, and a camera. The managers are terrain, object, collider, grass. For each one, check the player and data source settings. If a manager is missing a required data source, the scene will show an error. Start play mode. You will see the placed objects, grass, and the correct terrain chunks. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next episode, we will examine the managers and their functionality in detail. Goodbye, and enjoy learning.